How to get NFL Sunday Ticket game schedule. You can get the NFL Sunday Ticket game schedule inside the YouTube or YouTube app or on your desktop or NFL Sunday Ticket official website. Firstly, open YouTube or YouTube TV app on your desktop and make sure that you are signed in with the Google account tied to your Sunday Ticket. Here you will need to use the sports sections, which is the NFL section. Then go to the search bar and type in NFL Sunday Ticket. Then all the schedule will appear in a dedicated tab. I don't have the subscription, so it's not showing that. But if you do, then you will see the schedule right here. In the NFL's official website, which is nfl.com/schedule, you will be able to see the entire NFL season schedule. But for that also, you will need subscription. When you compare it with your Sunday Ticket subscription, you will know which game you can stream. Once you find that, you can add it to your calendar or Google Calendar. This way, you will know when what show will air. So that's all for today. Thank you.